Hello teachers, students, and all presenters out there. This video is dedicated for you. Today, allow me to share some basic steps on how to present your slides and audio video files in a Google Meet in a smoother way. Let's start! Number 1. Basic step of presenting your slides. Slides lang, no audio. Just click the Present Now button. Choose your entire screen. Select the entire screen, then share. Lahat ng ipe-present mo including your slides, makikita na yan ng lahat sa loop. Easy, right? Number 2. Presenting a file that contains audio or video. Let me share 2 ways. First, kapag nasa loob ka ng loop, just go to Present Now button. Select a tab. Then, choose the tab that contains your video. Kung wala namang audio or video mo, kung walang audio or video sa tab, what you're going to do, just drag the file sa new tab, then go back to the steps. Select a tab. Then, choose the tab that contains your audio or video file. However, meron itong condition. If your internet connection is so slow, the resolution of your video upon presentation is affected. Alright, the second way, which I think the best way to present your audio-video files. When you are the presenter and you are on the loop, leave call first. Then, rejoin by selecting the Present button. Choose a Chrome tab when your video is on the tabs. If not, don't worry. Your VLC software on your computer is allowed to be played with audio on the loop. Choose entire screen and play the video on VLC and other video playing softwares including YouTube. Alright. Another, don't worry about the internet connection. Your slow internet connection will not affect the quality of your audio-video files. The second way also applies to slides. So efficient, right? By the way, the second way has a condition. You have to use 2 devices. One for your presentation purposes, which is your laptop or computer. The other one is your phone or another laptop or computer for your audio. You will use this to monitor your presentation. Note: enter 2 devices using the same account. Alright, I hope these basic steps are helpful to you. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorial videos. See you again on my next tutorial video. Bye!